What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol MMAT for Metamaterials Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, we have the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, will be more of an update. We cover it semi-regularly on the channel, and the main thing to discuss from today's price action is although we had hot and heavy selling, and it certainly was nasty from an intraday perspective, look at where we are from the daily, right? We're still above our critical area of support, which is at $5.70. So because we're still above it, we're still going to maintain a bullish outlook from the daily perspective. Now, don't get me wrong. If 570 goes, you have to change your mind, right? You're not cemented into one view versus another. But if we're above 570, looking at this move here as sort of a bull flag, right? Something that would look like this, healthy consolidation here, taking the break up and higher. If 570 goes, again, that's where you shift your sort of mindset and say, okay, we're technically seeing a look above and fail back down into this overall range, right? Technically, the target should be the bottom end at $4.89. So I wanted to put out today's message just to sort of reiterate that until this level is actually broken, nothing has really changed too much from the daily perspective inside of metamaterials. Let's take a look at this and how it unfolded from the 30-minute perspective. And I'll also note here that in the post market, we're currently trading 577 by 580, so north of where we are now. So right around this area, we're not smack on the lows anymore. Now, that's not to say it can't break early on or before the bell tomorrow, but again, as of right now, we're dealing with the information we have on hand. So what we want to do is take a look at this through the lens of Fibonacci on the 30-minute, and what you'll notice is that the 38.2 is slightly higher, around 6, the nice round number. So if there's going to be any sort of bounce, the area that you want to see it recapture is back above that 6, right? So let's remove that. And so this is what we have in terms of scenario. So a bounce that retraces and takes 6 out, that's going to be a more healthy form of consolidation. Obviously, moving higher is going to bode well for a bullish pattern. If we cannot take out 6, that's where you start to get concerned and start being more diligent about the breakdown of 570, right? So any consolidation that sort of stays down here, then be careful of that 570, right? Because it might do something like that. So please have 6 on your radar. Also note that it's the pullback low from in here, and make pretend extend that to the left. We also have support from in here. So I do think 6 is an important level to beat here inside of metamaterials if there's any possibility of some more upside from a daily perspective, right? That bull flag breakout, which we discussed just a second ago. If there is a larger breakout, what's your upside target? Well, as we know, we have 672, the next major bump in the road. And then after that, we've talked about 8 in the past before, right? That is quite a ways away. And given a falling broad market, I'm not entirely sure it's possible this week or even next. But from a structural perspective, that is the number to be watching for. If you enjoyed today's update, if you enjoyed the video, let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.